my pretty girlies, it has been a minute since you guys have seen me do these wig install videos, but I am back. So today's wig is sponsored by WowAfrican Hair. This is their 9x6 Burmese curly HD lace frontal wig. This wig comes with pre-shaped ear tabs that fits perfectly on your head. It also comes with an anti-slip elastic band. It has silicone on this band, so this is going to give you that perfect snug fit in the back. It also comes with combs, which I absolutely love, especially in the back. Just gives you a little bit more secureness. And then it also comes with the adjustable elastic cord. Now, this is a little new, not necessarily new to my channel, but it is new to some wig wearers, I would say. I don't really know how I feel about this just yet. I think it's okay if you want your wig to be a little bit more snug. It definitely gets the job done. As you can see, this is like a elastic cord type of structured thing where it can make the wig tighter on your head. But my only thing is, if you're not careful, the string can come out the back of your head. But I mean, you could just tuck it inside the wig. So anyways, this is what the beautiful curls look like, freshly washed, no product on it. So let's go ahead and install this wig. Alright, so this wig already comes with the hairline pre-plucked. The lace has already been cut. The knots have already been bleached. So only thing I literally had to do was just put this wig on. Super convenient and literally easy to install. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you girls what the back of this wig looks like, taking advantage of that drawstring in the back just to give me a little bit more of a tight, snug fit. It works perfectly fine. I don't have to worry about it breaking. So that's that. Now I wanted to show you girls what the wig looks like around the ear tabs. It sits perfectly on my head, which sometimes can be annoying with these wigs where you have to go in and cut the ear tabs out. So I do appreciate the company going ahead and taking that step away from me. Now with this particular wig, you definitely do not have to use any type of glue, spray, gel, whatever the case may be. This wig does fit pretty snug on my head, especially thanks to the elastic cord, but I want my lace to melt a little bit more. This lace definitely is melted, especially because it's a HD, but I want it to blend a little bit more into my skin. So what I'm gonna do is pull out some hairs in the front, very, a very thin section, nothing too much, not doing too much. And then I am going to take some hairspray and I'm going to start to secure the wig down that way. You know, my traditional normal go-to type of wig install. Okay, so now that I have removed the headband and the wig is secure, I'm going to go ahead and take out the hairs around the hairline by literally pulling it out of the lace. You definitely want to be careful when you do this, or if you decide to do this, make sure you hold the lace down and then pull from the roots so that you don't have to worry about any little black spots showing throughout the lace. So this is just the easiest way for me to get rid of that straight box look when it comes to installing wigs sometimes. Okay, so I did decide to add baby hairs to this wig, and I did do the light baby hairs off camera, by the way. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is start to flatten out the top of the wig because it is looking a little poofy. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this lace melting spray by 𝐕. I do like this stuff because it definitely makes the lace blend a whole lot better into the skin, and it doesn't leave like a harsh residue on the lace when you get ready to remove it. This can be found at your local beauty supply store. See how the lace pretty much disappears once I spray this spray on there, which will be in the description bar below as well. Alright, so now it is time to define the curls. I'm going to be using this 𝐁𝐥𝐻 Curl Activator Gel. Yeah, I'm using some curl activator. Y'all, this stuff is bomb. If you have not tried this, especially if you are team natural, you need to get your hands on this. When I tell you this gel defines curls and waves like no other, you need this like literally yesterday. So I'm going to apply that all over just to see how it looks with this texture. Then I'm going to follow up with some loose, and I'm going to lightly wet the hair because I still want that thick fluffiness to the hair that this texture is known to have. Okay, so this is pretty much what the texture is going to look like once the hair is wet. It's not really giving curly. It is definitely giving wavy, which I am totally fine with. I am going to go in and just clip the ends just to give me a more clean look at the ends. The waves on this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Also, I'm going to add a little bit more mousse just to the top of my hair, just a little bit, because I still want to keep the top of my hair flat. I don't really want that area to wave back up, so I'm being very careful not to apply too much mousse or product at the top. And this is pretty much going to be the final look to this install, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, and then I'm going to come back and show you girls what the wig looks like once the hair is completely dry. Okay, and this is what the wig looks like once the hair is 100% dry. I did let the wig air dry. And yeah, the waves on this wig is so pretty. It's so big. I'm so happy that the wig waves is not small. Like, I hate a small wavy wig. Super defined, very full and fluffy. Love the wig that I didn't have to do like a whole lot of steps to it. It was real easy and simple to install. I'm gonna make sure I leave all the details on this wig below. Very full, beautiful wig. Thanks for watching. Bye.